I've been to several events of Delhi University organized by students, but this is something students always look forward for. Career counseling, Google is there, ChatGPT is there, and there are so many internet resources to understand what are the next steps. But still, when some counselor comes in, she or he comes in with an experience from the industry directly. Was professor of physics and electronics in North Campus College in my initial career journey. And my objective was always to make my students understand what next after physics, because everybody was what next, and it was in mid 90s. I have a LinkedIn post regarding the same, posted yesterday. In those days, there was no internet, there was no sharing of resources, what to do next. And what I found that most of the professors would only encourage to go to research, and research is not something everybody is looking forward to. But now we are lucky that we have internet, we have Google, we have so many avenues. Plus, the education policy and the landscape of corporate is changing so very fast in these days because of advancing technology every day. Every day, technology is changing at a very high pace. And obviously, corporates will inculcate this technology. And as we all know, the buzzword is AI. AI means artificial intelligence, and everybody is scared. Will AI eat up all the jobs? Will AI make, because there are so many interviews of Elon Musk and other leaders from America who keep on saying that there would be no jobs after 5 years. Humans don't need to do any job after 5 years. But they are not explaining this sentence. What do they mean by humans would not do any jobs after 5 years? To understand first which course you are
Ma'am,
pursuing.
there are a mix of students,
Mhm.
BBE, BCom, and a lot of other courses.
Okay, fine.
So the
That's
majority is BBE and BCom.
great. Fine. So this is BCom honors,
मैम प्रोग्राम टू एंड ऑनर्स दोनों कोर्सेज है
दोनों courses हैं.
लाइक मिक्स्ड है सारे कोर्सेज.
Correct. So, guys, one thing is very sure that after, we know in our families, since ages, science has been taken as the topmost career. That if you are in sciences, then either become an engineer or become a doctor. And then in late 90s, it